Good morning. What do we got here?
Well, Ryan, we got a lot going on today.
Yeah.
I got my buddy's 2018 Raptor. Gonna do some tuning on that. I've already done some logging with it stock. It is one of the ugliest looking stock logs I've ever seen. So lots of like throttle closing, lots of timing retard, lots of safety and torque management stuff going on. That's that needs a lot of refinement. On top of that, we have another S2000 coming in. No shortage of S2000s around here, and that's fine with me.
Yeah.
It's a race car S2000 road race. I guess he races in WRL. And I think tomorrow he's saying, you know, if everything goes well today, then tomorrow he's got a 24-hour race in it. So
24 hours.
Yeah, I guess they trade out, I think, 4 drivers.
4 drivers.
And so that's obviously very demanding. The tune needs to be on point, and not just performance-wise, but gas mileage needs to be on point too, because they can't be pitting to change gas all the time. You know,
absolutely. Every pit is a loss. Yeah, pretty much.
So that one's gonna be pretty fun. And then I guess you got the Kraftwerks S2000 showing up just for a look over, a pre-tune look over. I want to make sure everything looks proper before we engage. Put
that one on the dyno. But look at this thing, guys. This is the V8, right? Not the twin turbo V6.
No,
this is the twin turbo V6.
Yeah.
Okay, man, I really like this.
Yeah, it's a very nice truck.
Yeah, this is a really nice truck. So what type of power do you think you can get out of it? Don't even know yet?
I looked at a few other people's modded Raptors, and this one is stock. We're really just doing tuning on it.
Yeah.
But it looks like there's plenty of meat on the bone there.
Yeah.
I'm sure that we'll get some substantial gains. It's direct injection, it's turbocharged. I can see that the air fuel ratios targeted are really rich. The timing is getting pulled back because of all these protections, and it's going to make a big difference. It already sounds kind of 3-cylinder, right?
Yeah, it kind of sounds a little 3-cylinder.
What's up?
What up?
I mean, we didn't meet yet, right? No. Okay.
Hi, I'm Ryan. Very nice to meet you. Awkward with the camera, yeah.
Take the trip over.
Brought the Scion. Whoa, 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 whoa. He got close there.
I gotta pull one car out real quick. Give me a minute, okay?
It is S2000 Mania today.
But it sounds a little 3-cylinder, like not to say one cylinder's not hitting, but it sounds like one cylinder is hitting different than the other ones. So what's the history of the motor, and like, are this spark plugs, are those relatively new, or like?
Spark plugs maybe got 1,000 miles on them. I changed them, and the car sat for a while. Other than that, I've had the car for about 3 or 4 months, and it's kind of just sat. I haven't messed with it too much, other than putting this.
We think it's a. I can't remember from our messages. We think the motor is stock, or is it? What's the?
It's probably
stock. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I went ahead and I got a catch can put on there, like we said. Instead of just, I was kind of worried about oil getting out and getting on a tire, so I just went ahead and went to something and grabbed that.
Sure. Okay. Yeah, I see it there.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Other than that, I mean, I've been working on it little by little for about 2 or 3 weeks. So.
Okay. So, and obviously you don't have the bluff valve, so you haven't done anything you shouldn't do as far as exploring boost, you know. Do you know what spring is in the wastegate, maybe?
It's going to be 2 7-pound springs. I brought all the other springs, and I got a manual boost controller right here.
Okay, cool. Okay.
I took off the VTEC solenoid thing, so you'll have to...
The oil pressure switch? Yeah, so we'll have to kill that, yeah. I definitely think, fire it back up for me again, so let me hear it running with it open.
It's on a cutout, too. There's a
okay.
Car.
And is there... this is your wideband right here?
Yeah, it's not hooked up yet because it's the can gauge. I don't have a computer to do the turn.
Okay.
On it or whatever.
So, I don't know if it's possible at all to pick up on audio like that, but I definitely feel like there is one cylinder sounding different than the others right now. I may start with doing some adjustment in the fuel map on a per cylinder basis, like add 10%, add 5, you know, and see, does it change? Okay, so we have the original injectors in there right now. So if it is an injector issue, well, it's going to be taken care of when we change those out. So we're gonna hope for that. The other thing you have to be mindful of on these is if it's is it a F20 or F22? Oh, it is a 22. Okay, that's a little bit better. The older F20s, you can, and I've seen it plenty of times, you can have cracked retainers, and then once you add turbo, it's not a good recipe. Yeah. So you got to be really careful about listening and watching, and maybe we'll do a compression test to be sure that the motor is sound. Can you hear that lump though? Like it sounds slightly WRX-ish. Yeah. Slightly, just slightly. Yeah. The plugs that went in there, are they, do you know, like what? NGK. Okay, OEM replacements. So yeah, we're probably gonna end up changing those. I have some here. We're probably gonna end up changing those to, you know, some colder. I have these. Oh, you have those. Okay, excellent. Look, you are prepared. I like it. Yeah. I like it. All right. Let me kill it, and maybe we ought to just go ahead and change the. Hello. Oh, also Maxis. Cool. Really be running at night, and
the race we're doing this weekend is 24 hours, so we're running all night long, and there are no lights at all.
There's no lights.
No, there's no lights on the track at all. All they have reflectors on like the inside, and basically apex and track out points. They have little reflectors, but that's about it. That's why these are pointing so far
outside.
Because,
yeah.
Basically, when you're turning on the street, you know, you're looking forward, but on the track, you're looking.
You need to look.
Here.
Yeah, sure.
So these are pointing on the corners. So I built that last year when we did our 24-hour last year. They were much better than what everybody else had.
Nice.
Then we added this one in the middle. We had 4, but the ones in the middle were floods, so they kind of dispersed the light too quickly.
Yeah.
Didn't really do much.
Didn't give you a directed.
So we replaced these, and this is basically it points really, really far forward. Together, I figured it out between the stock headlights of these, it's over 30,000 lumens.
Damn.
So it's super bright.
Should light the way. We need to flip the car around. We're gonna pull in forward, so maybe back it up into that notch there. Yep. And I'll get that bay door open back there, and you can pull on in. Auto then, or?
So it's
it had a flex plate.
So it's basically the 0405 TSX motor, but in Japan they're all K24A. There's no A1.
Oh
A2,
yeah,
A4.
okay, yeah.
But it's basically.
I'm still thinking of F20, man. That's what I keep screwing up thinking like that.
No, but I think it came out. Most of the time they come out of Odyssey Absolutes.
Yeah.
So, but it's the same motor over there, as long as it has the 3-lobe cam.
Yeah.
Versus the 2-lobe.
Yeah.
That way it's not the K24A2 or the K24A2 versus K24A4. I think the A2 has the oil squirters in the block, and then the 3-lobe VTAC versus the A4 that's only got the 2-lobe VTAC.
Yeah.
So
it's definitely like a
200 horsepower.
I would call it a
160 horsepower.
Yeah.
Motor.
Gas mileage and economy kind of motor versus yeah.
Now it's something we really other way, turn the wheel. Perfect.
My name is Charles Lane. This is my 2007 Honda S2000 with a Kraftwerks Supercharger.
true? There's another S2000 here?
Another S2000.
There's another S2000?
None of which have the same motor.
Golly, none of them have the same motor. Hi. Y'all remember this guy? Look at how good his motor looks now. All the gold's gone. Everything is tucked and beautiful. Did you enjoy the process? No.
It sucked.
It sucked.
It
Yeah.
was very saddening having to look at the lawn ornament in my garage every day.
Yeah, absolutely. Man, I can't wait to get this thing back out on the road. Great. Well, that. Oh. Thank you. You're very welcome.
Yes, thank you. I have better tires, but actually
Yeah.
we'll have power brakes now. Yeah, so it actually will brake now.
You mean it stops? It doesn't just go, it stops now?
It stops.
What?
It stops pretty quickly.
Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. So, if y'all are new to the channel and y'all haven't seen this before, this is a 2JZ Berg Warner. It's a very similar setup to Tyler's drift car. And what are we missing to turn up the power on this thing?
Nothing right now. It's on 16 pounds. We can turn it up to 20, and then after that, just injectors, E85, and more boost.
More boost. Well, more tire, too.
It has 275s in the back now.
Oh, that's weak. You're going to have to, like, put some freaking drag radials on this thing.
Still hooks.
Yeah.
And third or higher.
The thing I love about your car, though, is just the noises.
Yeah.
Having a 2J in this type of car with the top down is just so unique. Like, a 2J sounds so great to begin with. Then you put it in this thing with the top down, and it's just, it gives you all the right noises. Oh, I love that wind down. Hey, go and just let off. Oh, I hope that comes through on the camera. I'm sure y'all seen this. He custom did all the transmission tunnel here. Oh, plug! Nice plug. But look at all these beautiful S2K's we got here. Woo! This is John's badass S2000. He's going to be racing 24 hours if everything goes right today, right?
Hoping so. 24 hours this weekend.
24 hours this weekend, man. So 4 drivers?
6 drivers.
6 drivers.
Yeah, 4 hours apiece.
Wow. And what series is this in?
World Racing League.
World Racing League. And what track?
We're going to High Plains in Colorado, next to Denver.
Wow. So you have an action-packed night, day, everything
We got a lot
ahead
of packing left to do, a lot of touch-up left to do.
Yep, I got you. So if you don't mind, real quick, and I'll leave you alone, you want to give our viewers a quick synopsis of the setup of it?
It's basically a stock TSX motor, 0405 TSX motor we K-swapped. It's got some Inertia Lab custom shocks on it that they built for us. Besides that, it's just your basic setup, full cage, some aero, some homemade aero,
Yeah.
APR wing. We're running street tires for the series. That's what the class regulates us to. Whole bunch of little stuff that you never can think of.
Yep, until you're on the spot, but
Yeah,
absolutely.
yeah.
Well, I really like the setup. He said there are no lights on the track that they're racing at, so obviously they have this really cool light set up on the front. The lights.
We used to use the brights
How cool does that look? Oh, you'll even turn some to the sideways to get like kind of like a headlight would do.
Yeah.
Come to the side.
At the apex when you're
Yeah.
turning, so you can see the activation.
What the heck is that on your head?
It's going, right?
Yeah, it's going.
Okay, good.
How you doing today?
All right.
Busy?
This thing is being pretty buggy, man.
Pretty buggy, huh?
Yeah, I'm having to restart the computer a lot of times here. But I think it might be, I might have figured out the secrets that it doesn't want me to unplug now. It doesn't want me to, you know,
Yeah.
don't do this at this moment or else it's going to freak out.
Yeah.
It seems to be doing okay. 190 wheel horsepower. Still in the wrong gear right now, so I don't know what it did at the other places, but can't be too much more than about 220 or 230. So I think once I put it in fourth gear, we'll probably be up there. But it's just got, I guess the peak number is okay, but it's just got so much refinement in the build up to that needs done.
Yeah. We have a lot of S2000s here today.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have the race S2000 on the dyno as we speak. We have my boys right there. Kraftwerks Supercharged Honda S2000. This is a 2007. Look at this thing. Just absolutely gorgeous. Got all the right parts, work wheels. Beautiful inside, OEM hardtop. That is what we're talking about. Always keep it careless. Then, if we make our way, we have my other boys, S2000. This got a big old Berg Warner on it. Stock motor. But this one is definitely a work in progress. It's about to go through paint, get a tune, and get this thing looking absolutely gorgeous. Dirty after a horrible, horrible day. Now the sun is coming out. Yay. So yes, we are about to start the Camaro project, but this is not my Camaro. This is another one. It's the exact same year, transmission, everything is mine, and it's getting the same Texas Speed kit. I am super excited to get some practice on this thing, and then we'll be able to dive into mine and we'll know exactly what to do. The Camaro project is starting on the 20th. Thank you all so much for tuning in to another episode of Trackstar Media Works. Hey guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and more importantly, that notification bell to stay up to date with everything that we have going on. And we will see you next video.